hermano. Es mi hermana, Juliana.
Hi.
And what are we doing today?
Oh, today we did each other's makeup. We're doing each other's makeup. First Ian's gonna do my makeup, and then I'm gonna do Ian's makeup.
I had to fix the lips.
I'm not talking about that. And because I have more experience doing makeup than Ian, he's gonna time me, and I'm only gonna have 30 minutes to do my makeup, so it should be interesting.
Yes. Yes, it shall. This is a hydrating face primer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you won't
How do I
need that
do
much.
it?
You just...
Next, we're gonna be doing foundation. Concealer.
And this is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. This is the e.l.f. 2-in-1 Eyelash and Eyebrow Gel. This is the brow end.
Oh, the brushes are here. So this is a contour brush by nobody.
We don't have the name of that brush. We don't know what brush it is. It's just a brush.
Okay, so we're gonna start our contour with...
Please do not overdo this. I'll cry.
Too late.
Alright. Not terrible.
Not good.
I'm gonna do the rest of my bake. Can I do it or do you want to do it?
Is this a video about me doing your makeup? Or are you doing your own?
Okay, so you're gonna take that and swipe it right under my contour on my chin. Match the other side. Match the other side. Oh god. Yeah, you're gonna put some on the chin, on the nose, and right here. I mean red and then orange and then gold. You want to start with that as your transition.
Where does the transition go?
The underneath of the brow bone on the outer side of the crease.
What's a crease?
See this?
Yes.
It's gonna go on this brow bone, but not up here. It's gonna go like
Okay,
right
so where's your
underneath the
eyebrow?
crease. You're not doing my eyeliner, are you?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is where everything's gonna go south, Ian.
So I just did her eyeliner. It's amazing, but we lost footage.
Lost footage.
No, we're moving the bake with this brush.
Yes.
No, 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 no. Is this I do my sister's makeup challenge or my sister does her makeup challenge while I sit there and watch? Exactly.
Ian, if you met.
This is highlight, and we're going to be using this e.l.f. highlight with this Beauty Bianca brush.
Beauty Basics.
Beauty Basics brush. So,
What shade is the highlighter?
Moonlight Pearls is the shade. Okay, we're just gonna use this then. So. Whoa. Did you just see that?
That and then a little gloss on it.
Ready? For it.
Are you doing my lips or doing me the lips?
I'm doing your lips. Oh, so curly.
So curly.
So now that we have the complete look, we're just gonna have a little party. Like, hey, where's the chicken strips?
Okay, come here.
I mean, it's actually not that bad.
No, it could be way worse. It could be so much worse.
Now-
it could have been.
She's gonna do mine. To make it even, because I knew nothing about how to do makeup, she's going to try to do it in under 30 minutes.
Oh my god, you didn't tell me that I was doing that.
Oops.
Okay,
have a
ready?
hair
So
tie
we have
or
to set a
something?
timer. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone.
Do you have a hair tie?
Oh, I can't wear my hair tie. What the hell? Set. Go.
The timer has started. She's at 29
Hey.
seconds.
So we're gonna go in with the same Maybelline New York Superstay Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 112 Natural Ivory.
My eyes itchy.
Foundation. Alright, so now that's done, we're going to conceal really quick. And instead of using the Maybelline, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade GC969 Porcelain. We'll finish the bake later after the contour, but we're doing contour next. So we're going to go in the same Beauty Concepts bronzer and the same contour brush that I did earlier. Add some more bake. Woohoo! Look at me. That's it for the bake. And for that powder, I just used the original formula Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade
That's really
Honey Beige. Alright. I have so much time. I'm almost getting coffee. Oh. I'm gonna use the same Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Alright, got 2.5 minutes.
I have to do highlight.
Oh, fuck. Okay. Beauty Concepts, thick stick. Just your average. Wait, turn that back on.
And 40.
Highlight.
We got 48 seconds.
Okay, we're done. Let me just...
I hate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you
Thanks
guys
for
for
watching.
watching.